Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today is another bonus video because I had some egg whites left over from the previous video, so I thought I'm not chucking them away, I know what to do with them, so here I am. And I'm gonna be making cat's tongues. These are biscuits that I used to make a lot when I was younger because I enjoyed making zabaglione, which is going to be a video that at some point I'm going to do it because I absolutely love it. And to make zabaglione or even custard, you just need egg yolks. So what are you going to do with the egg whites? So I found the recipe of making these lovely little biscuits that they do look like they've got the shape of a cat's tongue. So that's what we're going to make. They're really easy and all you need is 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of icing sugar, 100 grams of plain flour, and then I've got vanilla extract, but the original recipe calls for what is called vanillina, which is an Italian thing, and it's I guess it's just a flavoring in powder. So I've used this before and I think it came out all right. So I'm going to try it again. Never know. It might all go pear-shaped, but let's give it a go. Let's see how we get on. And then obviously 4 egg whites. So let's start. What we do, the butter needs to be soft, room temperature, and we put in the bowl. We add the icing sugar. And it would have been a good job if I actually put the whisks on my whisker at the back. Here we go. Panic over. There we go. Let's start. And then we sieve in the flour. And we start adding the eggs. I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And here we go. We got our batter. So now what we need to do, we need to pipe it. I'm not good at it. I'm really not good at it. So what I've done, I've got a baking tray and I've lined it with a silicone sheet. I bought it as a roll and then you cut it and you put it in your oven and you put it on the baking trays and I find it brilliant. It's really, really good. And you got loads. It's like a really long tube. This is stressful. This is stressing me out because I'm not sure what I'm doing. So let's try it. Let's see how I get on. I know I've done it before, but it was a wrong time. I was thinking it was little. Well, little-ish. And let's see if anything comes out of this. I hope so, because I do love them. They're so buttery. They are gonna go in the oven only for a few minutes. It's only like 8 to 7 minutes, but the oven needs to be fairly high. The recipe is a really old one. It's a really old recipe, so it doesn't give you static oven, fan oven. It just gives you a temperature of 200 degrees. But I know my oven is powerful, so I will be doing it 190 for 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna check it, because once the edges of the biscuits, they've gone like a lovely golden brown, they're ready. Get them out, wait until they cool down a little bit, and then you can keep them in a biscuit tin for a little while, for a few days, and job done. But I tell you what, in our house, few days, nah. They don't last that long. They do not. last that long. And there we go. So let's pipe it. Making sure that you can see what I'm doing. Need to keep a distance because when they're in the oven, because of the batter, they do expand a little bit. So need to make sure that we distance them. And there we go. All nice and piped. Well, nice. Let's see how they come out. But all piped, and they're going to go in the oven for a few minutes. So if you like what you see, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can keep up with the next videos. And I'll see you once these little beauties are cooked. Here we go. We now have Catstone's biscuits. Ah, I'm so excited because I do love them. Usually, as I said, because you use the egg whites, when I make custard, I make these biscuits because obviously you're not using the egg whites. So, and I don't want to throw them away. I try to not waste anything. So, and when I make zabaglione, that's the best thing. So I'll dip them into the zabaglione and just eat it. But as I've used the custard for another couple of recipes, which you can check out, and I've made some really thick hot chocolate, which is what I'm used to when I go to Italy. If you go to a bar, you get a really thick hot chocolate. And watch out, the video is coming out for the really nice indulgent hot chocolate. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try these and dip them in the hot chocolate. Oh, look at this. Oh, it goes. Oh. Oh, they're so beautiful. They bring me back to when I used to make them. They're so buttery, and because they've got the icing sugar, the edges caramelize a little bit, so you've got a chewy bit in the middle and the caramelization on the outside. Ah, They work. They work for me. Let me know if you try them and if you like them. As I said, you need to be careful because it's got batter inside. When you pipe them, when you put them in the oven, they do expand, and this is what happened to me. As you can see, loads of them, they just got stuck together, and it was like a big lump. That doesn't detract from the flavour. They might not be the best looking biscuits, but oh my god, they still taste amazing. So give it a go and let me know if you have, and let me know in the comments if you tried it and what you have eaten them with, if you made something nice or something different to just dip them in, or you made a nice recipe with them, use them in a cake recipe or something, or if you cover them in chocolate. They will go nicely with Nutella. Oh yes, oh yes, I can see them. Yeah, spread them with some Nutella on top. Ah, lovely. Oh, so nice. Right, I'm gonna enjoy the biscuits, so I'm gonna leave you to it. I hope you've enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. And if you have enjoyed the video, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notification on when the next video is out. Take care for now. Bye bye.